Good morning. Hope you are understanding the topic cones, children, the basic of the topic. What is a cone? A cone is a solid with one circular base and whose tip is a vertex. Example, joker's cap, ice cream cone, and the circus tent. Hope you have all learned the formulas for cones, children. Recollect once. CSA, pi RL, TSA, pi R into L plus R, volume 1 by 3 pi R square H, and what is the formula for R? Root of L square minus H square. H is equal to root of L square minus R square, and L, the slant height, is root of R square plus H square. Coming to today's class, children, we are going to do exercise 13.3. First question. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeters and the slant height is 10 centimeters. Find the CSA. What are you given, children? The diameter and slant height. In any questions related to cones, cylinders and spheres, children, remember we don't want diameter but we want the radius. And slant height is what? L. For the cone, what are you given? Diameter. How much is the diameter? The diameter is 10.5 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equal to diameter by 2, that is 10.5 by 2, which is equal to 5.25 centimeters. And slant height is taken as what, children? L, which is equal to 10 centimeters. What are you asked to find out? CSA. CSA means what? Pi R L. You know pi, you know R, you know L. CSA of cone is equal to what? Pi R L square units. 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 10 centimeters square. 7 goes how many? 22 into 75. 150. That is equal to 1650 centimeter square is the CSA of the cone. Second sum. Find the TSA of the cone if the slant height and the diameter of the base is given. For the cone, what are you given? You are given slant height. How much is your slant height? The slant height L is equal to 21 meters. Diameter is equal to 24 meters. Radius R is equal to diameter by 2, that is 24 by 12, 2, that is equal to 12 meters. TSA of the cone is equal to pi R into L plus R square units. For CSA, pi RL. For TSA, pi R into L plus R. 12 into L is how much? 21 plus 12. 22 by 7 into 12. The radius is 12. 21 plus 12 is 33 meters square. Yes. Now, you cannot cancel, children. 22 into 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 2, 264 into 33. 3 4s are 12. 18, 19, 7, 792. 2, 1, 7, 8. Check once again. 2, 2. 12 2s are 24. Carry on to 24 plus 2, 26. 3 3s are 3 4s are 12. 19, 7. Add. That is equal to 8712 divided by 7 meters square. Divide, children. 7 12s are 84. Remainder 3. How many times? 28. 11 take away 8, 3, 32. Again 4 times. 28. 4. Put a point. 5 times. 35. 7. 49. And 7. It is equal to 1244.57 meters square. Given the diameter, you found out radius, and you are also given the slant height, children. TSA of the cone is equal to pi r into L plus r, which is equal to 1244.57 meters square. Third sum, CSA of the cone is given, the slant height is given, find the radius and the TSA of the cone. Third sum, children, for the cone, what are you given? Slant height L. Slant height L is how much? 14 centimeters. Yes. Radius of the cone, we do not know. Radius is equal to R. CSA of the cone is how much? 308. Do you know the formula for CSA of the cone? Pi r L is equal to 308. 22 by 7 into R into 14 is equal to 308. 7 goes how many times? 2 times. Therefore, R is equal to 308 divided by 22 into 2. 2 goes how many times? 154. 22 goes how many times? 7 times. 7 centimeters. Therefore, radius R is equal to 7 centimeters. And what else are you asked to find out, children? TSA of the cone. TSA of the cone is equal to pi r into L plus r square units. 22 by 7 into 7. L is 14 plus 7 centimeters square. That is 2 into 21. 2 into 21 is 42. 42, that is equal to 462 centimeters square. Given the slant height and the CSA, they've asked you to find out the radius, children. For the CSA of the cone, the formula is pi r L. So R is how much? 7. Now for the TSA of the cone, pi r into L plus r square units. Go for cancellation. 14 plus 7, 21. 2 into 21, 42. 2 into 21, 42. 462. A conical tent is 10 meters high, fourth sum, and the radius of the base is 24 meters. Find the slant height and the canvas required if the cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. A conical tent. What are you given for the tent, children? You are given the height and the radius. First bit, slant height. Can you guess what is the formula for slant height? Slant height is taken as L, which is equal to root of r square plus h square. For the conical tent, that means it is a circus tent. For the conical tent, height h is how much? 10 meters. Radius R is how much? The radius R is equal to 24 meters. Slant height L is how much? Root of R square plus H square. Root of R 24 square plus 10 square. Yes, what is 24 square? 576. 10 square 100. Root of 676. Yes, do you know the square root by long division? 2 2's, remainder 2 plus 2, 4. Bring down the second group. How many times? 6 times. That is equal to 26 meters. Now what are we asked to find, children? First bit is slant height. Second bit is the cost of canvassing. Canvas required first is what? Canvas required is equal to afterwards cost, children, CSA of conical tent. The canvas required is equal to CSA of the conical tent pi RL square units. 22 by 7 into R 24 into how much? 26 meters square. Yes, you need not cancel. Why? Because you are going to find out the cost. What is cost of canvassing 1 meter square? The cost of canvassing 1 meter square is rupees 70. Why we did not multiply? Because 7 can cancel 70. Therefore, total cost of canvassing. Total cost of canvassing is equal to into 24 into 26 into 7. 7 goes how many times? 10 times. Now multiply. 22 into 24. 22 into 24. 48. 48. 528 into 26. 48. 12. 16. 31. 16. 5. 10. 12, 7, 3, 0. Rupees 1, 3, 7, 2, 8, 0. I shall repeat, children. You are given a conical tent and you are asked to find the canvas required. The total cost of canvassing the conical tent. Given the height and the radius, because you have to find the CS of the cone, first find out slant height. What is the formula for slant height? Root of R square plus H square, which is equal to root of 24 square plus 10 square, 576 plus 100, 676, 26 meters. Canvas required is equal to CSA of the conical tent, which is equal to pi RL square units. I did not multiply nor cancel. Why? Because the cost is given as a multiple of 7. Cost of canvassing 1 meter square is rupees 70. The total cost of canvassing is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 goes how many times? 10 times. 22 into 24. See, children, 528 into 26, 137280 is the total cost of canvassing. What length of tarpaulin 3 meters wide is required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters, assuming that the extra length of material required for stitching the margin is approximately 20 centimeters. They are asking you, children, what length of tarpaulin 3 meters wide, wide means thickness, is required to make a conical tent of height. For the conical tent, first see what measurements are you given, children. For the conical tent of height, how much is your height, children? 8 meters. And radius, the base radius is 6 meters. Before finding out the length of the tarpaulin, children, find the area of canvas required. Area of canvas required is equal to CSA of the cone. Yes, for CSA, what do you require? Slant height. Slant height L is equal to root of R square plus H square, root of A square plus 6 square, root of 64 plus 36, root 100, which is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, area of canvas required is equal to CSA of the cone, which is equal to pi RL, square units. They said clearly, use pi equal to 3.14 into R into 10 meters square. 84, 18, add 1 0, put 1 point, that is equal to meter square. 6 4s are 24, carry on to 8. Yes, area of canvas. And what is the width of canvas, children? The width of canvas is equal to how much? The width is how much, children? 3 meters. So, you know the area of canvas required and the width of the canvas. Therefore, the length of canvas is equal to CSA, area of canvas divided by how much? Width. 188.4 divided by 3. How many times? 62. 3 divides 18 6 times, remainder 0. 3 divides 8 2 times, remainder 2. 62.8 meters. Yes, this is meter square and this is meters, children. Now, for the stitching, they said, children, anytime you want to stitch, you cannot give the exact material, children. Always we have to give extra. Suppose you want to make a dress, you cannot give exactly 2 meters. Little more than 2. In the same way, to make the conical tent, what is the wastage? Wastage for stitching, wastage for cutting is how much? The wastage for cutting is 20 centimeters. As this length is in meters, convert the centimeters to meters. Centimeters to meters, children, divided by 100. In 100, how many zeros? 2 zeros. 1, 2, 0.2. Therefore, length what? Therefore, tarpaulin required. Tarpaulin required is equal to the length plus wastage. 62.80 plus 0.20, carry on 1, we require 63 meters. First find out the area of the canvas required. What is the formula for the area of canvas required, children? CSA of the cone, that is pi RL. Length, width is also given. Length of canvas required is equal to area of the canvas by width, which is equal to 62.8 meters. Anytime you are giving your material for stitching, definitely we have to give some extra material. What is the wastage for cutting? 20 centimeters. Convert to meters, 0.2 meters. Centimeters to meters, divide by 100. In 100, 2 zeros. From the right, put the point, 0.20 meters. Tarpaulin required is equal to your canvas length plus wastage, that is 63 meters. Hope you have followed today's class, children. Homework, page number 221, exercise 13.3, 1 to 5. Only through repetition, children, you can remember the method of doing, children. That is why we insist redo. If I don't do the sums, you cannot follow on your own. For your guidance, and that's why we are doing each and every question, children. Don't think Mrs. simply doing the questions. For you to follow and have a better understanding, we are doing every question and you repeat the homework, you can remember very well. And appeal to your parents, children. Please request your parents to pay the fee. Those who are fee defaulters, remind your parents to please pay the fee, children.